Let's make these cheesy garlic sourdough Christmas tree rolls. And today we're really focusing on stuffing and shaping them. Once your dough has done its bulk ferment and risen around 30%, tip it out and divide it into small dough balls. Mine are around 40 grams each. Next, grab the chilled garlic and cheese filling we made earlier, that blend of mozzarella, parmesan, garlic and butter. Scoop out little portions, around 7 grams each. It should be firm enough to hold together, which makes this part super easy. Take a piece of dough, flatten it gently in your hand and place a ball of filling right in the centre. Now pinch the dough closed around it, firmly but gently, sealing in all that delicious garlic cheese. Roll it between your palms to create a smooth, tight ball. Repeat this for every piece of dough. As you finish, start arranging the rolls directly onto your baking tray. Build the Christmas tree shape row by row, keeping the rolls just slightly apart so they can puff up and bake into each other. Add a longer piece at the bottom for the trunk, and if you're feeling creative, cut out a little dough star for the top. Once your tree is assembled, cover it and let the rolls get beautifully puffy. You can proof at room temperature or pop the whole tray in the fridge if you want to bake later. When you're ready, brush the tops with a little garlic butter, then bake at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for around 25 minutes until they're golden and glowing. As soon as they come out of the oven, brush on the rest of that buttery topping so it melts right into the rolls. Add fresh rosemary and let the tree cool just slightly before serving. And that's it. Warm, cheesy, garlicky sourdough rolls shaped into the cutest Christmas tree, perfect with marinara sauce for dipping.